Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. I am your Katalon Studio instructor and my name is Kumaresh. Thank you for connecting with us. Hope you are doing well. Let's start our today's session. Today, we are going to learn about the basic approach to perform database testing in Katalon Studio. By default, the Katalon Studio is compatible with PostgreSQL, SQL Server, and Oracle SQL databases. But we can test other databases as well by adding the corresponding JDBC driver. Through this video, I will demonstrate the process to set up the database connectivity for Postgres database. Prior to set up the process, we need to collect the connection string information such as database credential, server URL with port number, database driver name and the database name. After setting up the database, we will create a template and test case to connect and execute SQL query through the tool. It will be written in Groovy scripting approach. Also, we will create custom keywords to connect, execute and close database session. If we want to work on different databases, we need to follow the same approach with different connection string and Java library. Let's start the demonstration to see how to perform database testing in Katalon Studio. In this tutorial, we will use the Postgres to understand the database testing in Katalon Studio. Here is the sample SQL query which will be executed from the tool and print the query result as tool name in console of the Katalon Studio. To set up the database, we need to download PostgreSQL JDBC driver from the website jdbc.postgresql.org/download.html. Similar JDBC driver is required for other databases. Next step is to add this external library in the test tool. We will now open the project settings window. Go to the library management section and add the downloaded library by clicking on Add button. The library is already added, so we will cancel the File Selection Explorer. Now open the database section. Here, we need to enter the database user, password, and connection URL, which includes JDBC driver name as PostgreSQL, server name with port as localhost 5432, database name as LambdaGeeks and current schema name as test. Click on Test Connection to check the connectivity. The green "Connection Successful" message is appeared which shows that everything is fine. Click on Apply and close the window to proceed with test case creation for database testing. Now we will show how to create the custom keywords. The custom keywords can be used as reusables from the test cases. Here we will create keywords for database connection, execute query and close the database connection. First create package in test artifact keywords and provide name as comdb. This package will be referred from the test cases. We will create a new keyword within this package. Enter the keyword name as Postgres, which will be used later while creating test cases. The default Groovy scripting view will be appeared immediately. We have already created the scripts for the keywords in a text file. We will replace the default Groovy script with the actual scripts from the text file. The required libraries are imported at the beginning of the class. 3 methods are defined here. First method is the connectDB, which will be used to connect the database with the information provided as arguments. Driver Manager class is used here. The another method execute query is used to execute the SQL query, which is also passed as argument. The query will be executed with the existing connection and return the result as list. The last method closeDatabaseConnection is used to close the database connection if it is active. That's all about custom keywords to work with database. We will now create the test case with the reference of this keyword. Alright, we will create the test case now from the script view with the reference of newly created template. Create a new empty test case and provide a suitable name. Open the script view and remove the default scripts. We had already created a database scripts for this test case. Now paste the same script here. The database information such as URL, database name, username and password are stored in local variables. Instead of local variables, we can use the test case or global variables to make it parameterized. The custom keyword is used to call the method connectDB to establish the database connection. Similarly, calling the executeQuery method to execute the query and store result in a list. In the next step, the result is printed in console. At the end, the database connection is closed. After completion of test case, we will click on Run button to execute the test case. The execution will start immediately, which will take a couple of seconds to complete. Click on Console tab from the execution summary to see the log messages. The desired message is appearing here with the tool name which is fetched from database. Through this approach, we can perform the database automation using Katalon Studio. Thanks for watching this video. That's all about basics of database testing in Katalon Studio. The sample script file is attached in the comments section for your references. We will learn more about Katalon Studio in upcoming videos.
Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube Trends, Twitter Trends, Scientific Calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.